How to see your Google business profile. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you the easy way to see your Google business profile. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, if you are on your PC or laptop, you need to open up any browser like Safari or Chrome that is convenient to you. And make sure to log into the particular account where you have logged in your business account. So once done, click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in My Business. When you open on this result page, you will get the list of all your Google Business profile, but make sure you already have created one and then click on view profile button by selecting the business profile which you want to share your link of your business profile to other people. On this dashboard of your Google business profile, when you search, here is no any option or there is no any link of your Google business profile that you are able to share to other people. So the other trick you need to follow is open a new tab on your desktop and then you need to search for Google Maps. Press enter on the keyboard and open the official website of Google Maps. On the Google Maps, you have to search for your business. Like let's open this and you will get multiple of the guitar stores. So let's open our music store like this. And here you got the option like share button. So click on share and here is the copy link button as well. You need to click on copy link button and here you can share with different social medias like WhatsApp, X or Twitter and then Gmail. And that's it. That is how we share our Google business profile with help of Google Maps. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.